guys, so today we are going to be creating a very simple high protein microwave cake, okay? This is going to take you roughly around about, I don't know, maximum 10 minutes to create from scratch, okay? Very simple. You've probably got all the ingredients at home for this, okay? If you're following some kind of healthy nutritional diet or something, okay? Whether you're doing weightlifting or just trying to lose that weight, whatever it is, okay? So let me just quickly go over exactly what we will need for this particular ingredients, okay, particular recipe, sorry. Right, let's get going. Number one, okay, you're going to need some form of whey protein that you actually like the taste of, okay. Now, in fact, actually, before I go ahead, I want to quickly mention something, okay. You can buy a lot of different varieties and flavors of already pre-done cakes and mixtures and desserts and all sorts, okay. But a lot of them just taste like complete crap, okay, and I hate that. It's not my thing, okay. I would choose taste over slight unhealthiness, okay. But in this case, guys, okay, all this stuff is super healthy. There's nothing unhealthy in this, other than, I don't know, maybe a little bit unhealthy one ingredient, which I'm going to show you in just a second, okay. Even that minuscule makes no damn difference, right? So, number one, you're going to need some form of whey protein that you actually like the taste of. So, in my case, my chosen preference and what I like is obviously Optimum Nutrition's Golden Standard Whey Protein. Now this one is double rich chocolate. Tastes amazing, by the way, on its own as well as with this cake as well. I've also got cooking cream, which also tastes great, okay. I'm going to actually open this. I'm going to open this, it's sealed still. So I'll open that a bit later on in a bit. The other ingredient you're going to need, okay, is, this is a magic ingredient in fact, okay, is PhD Smart Protein. This is pretty new. I only picked this up like a couple of days ago, and it's the magic ingredient. This is what creates the moussey cake effect, okay. If you don't have this, it ain't gonna come out right. It's gonna be completely weird and watered down version of a cake. It's gonna be nasty, right? So you need this, very important. The other magic ingredient you're gonna need is obviously bicarbonate soda, okay. Without this, you ain't going to get the cake kind of fluffy texture that you get with the cake, okay? It's going to be completely flat and boring and nasty, right? So I need that. And to add the cocoa taste, you know, proper chocolatey, yummy taste, you're going to need some cocoa powder, obviously. Choose whatever you like. There's so many different varieties out there. I don't know what this is. This is some cheap one I got from, I don't know where I got this from. This is from Aldi's in the UK. I don't know what you got up there. It's the Pantry. Okay, I don't know what brand that is, but it does the same job. It doesn't matter which one you use, okay? The other ingredients you're going to need is, you're going to need some of the Protein Works Rawtella, okay? This is hazelnut flavor. I'm sure you can get different flavors. You might get something different to this, okay? It's up to you what you choose, right? But it's your choice, whatever your preference and your taste is. This adds kind of a chocolatey, kind of hazelnutty kind of taste to your cake. So it tastes amazing, right? So you're going to need that. That, by the way, adds the extra fat, okay? And it's still healthy fat, but it's still fat, okay? So if your macros don't quite match up with this recipe, which I'm going to give you at the end of this video, then you might want to remove that, or you can remove whatever you want, okay? Obviously, you're going to get different taste at the end of that, right? So those are your few main ingredients, okay? The one ingredient you're going to need is, you're going to need some kind of protein chocolate bar. This is optional, okay? You're going to add some more taste, you want to add that kick to your cake or your dessert, whatever you want to make. Then you're going to need some form of chocolate bar that you like, okay, a protein one, obviously, preferably, right? You can cheat if you want in this. My chosen preferences, what I like is, what is this? I actually used this earlier on today. This is, in fact, you know what? Let me grab some for you. I'll show you what I've got here. And then you can choose whatever you like out of these. So I've got like a massive collection. Check out my collection. You know, I've got loads of different things. Right, let me just grab some bits and bobs here. And another. Check out that collection there. Okay. So what I'm going to do today instead, okay, and let me show you the one I have been using, and I'm going to show you what you guys can use. What you can do, right? So, my favorite chosen one so far that I like, okay, is obviously PhD Smart Bar. This one is dark chocolate raspberry, which is amazing, by the way, guys, okay. Whether you try it on your own, you know, as it is, as a snack, which is that one I used earlier. I made one for my wife. I might get it in a bit. Chuck that in the bin. And what I'm going to do today, I'm going to use this one, which is PhD Smart Jack, protein and all flapjack. Okay, guys. This is blueberry muffin flavour, as you can see, and it is amazing. 15 grams of protein, 222 calories. Yeah, calories are high, but that's good calories, right? It's all protein and good fats, so it's oats. Okay, so I'm going to be using this one today. So I'm going to pop that here. But those are the main ingredients you're going to need. And then right at the end, once you've microwaved it for around about 40 seconds, you're going to add this. Okay, now this is the exceptional, I was saying to you, maybe a little bit unhealthy, I suppose. But it's still healthy, okay, guys. It's still good. It's still natural sugars in this, okay? So it's good. This is called Sweet Freedom Choc, okay? Liquid chocolate, okay? We're gonna add that to the top after we've microwaved our cake and it becomes fluffy and amazing looking, to add some chocolatey taste, okay? Obviously, all this stuff is optional, whatever you want to add to it to match your macros. Okay, so guys, there are all the ingredients, so you got an idea of what you're going to be needing. Now, yes, okay, this can be a little bit expensive. I get it, okay? Over here, you're looking at about maybe 40-50 pounds worth. I don't know what that is in dollars, about $60 maybe, worth of different ingredients, okay? But these are one-offs, okay? Once you've got them, you can make this stuff over and over again. So it works out cheap once you've got it all. See, I use this stuff daily in my diet, in my daily diet to lean down, build that muscle, do all that good stuff, okay? So it's optional, whatever you want from here. If you ain't got the money, you know, if you're on a budget, you can probably, I don't know, choose something different instead, okay? But anyway, that's the ingredients, that's a quick breakdown of what we're going to be doing. And now we're going to go over to the actual bowl here, okay? And I'm going to, well, not cook it, but I'm going to mix it all up and I'm going to show you exactly what to do, how to do it, so you guys can go ahead and replicate this exact same ingredient and have that yummy dessert, okay? So see you in a second, bye-bye. Alright guys, so let's get going. Right, quickly, okay. So the first ingredient I'm going to go ahead and add is the Smart Protein by PhD, 30 grams, okay? So, let's add that in. Make sure I got 30 grams, don't overdo it. Okay, so. Come on. Alright, 30 grams, okay? That's done. We said that. The next thing that we are going to add is the golden standard whey protein. Right, hang on. I've actually forgot to open this. So let me grab a knife quickly and just let that open quickly. Alright. Just going to grab that open. Give me 2 seconds, guys. Yep, it's actually a brand new pack. I just literally just got in, which is taking a bit of time to open. Alright, here we go, got it. Okay, so we're going to need 1 scoop of golden standard whey protein by Optimum Nutrition. Choose whatever flavor you like. So that's about, I think, 30 grams roughly. So let's add that in. Yeah, there you go, 30 grams, okay. I don't know what, it all depends on exactly what weight your your chosen protein actually weighs. But that's just a quick idea, okay. The next one we are going to need, ingredient-wise, is going to be our bicarbonate soda. So for that we need a half a teaspoon. I don't know if you can see that. There you go, half a teaspoon. So let's grab that. I wonder how much that weighs. It's about 3 grams probably, if you want to weigh it in grams. So yeah, but there you go, 3 grams, okay. That's that done. The next ingredient we need is going to be cocoa powder. And we're going to add 10 grams of that. Okay, depending on chocolate you want it, you don't have to have 10 grams, you can have whatever you want. So that's only 3 there, okay. So almost. There we go. Alright, let's just say that's 10, okay? Let's get that off. So 10 grams of cocoa powder. And the next ingredient we're going to need is the Rawtella from Protein Works, which is that, okay? 10 grams. So let's get some of that out. 4 grams there. some more. 8 grams. A little bit more. Still 8 grams, okay. Okay, that should do it, I think. Okay, 11 grams. Let's do it close enough, right? Close enough. So you need that then. Okay, right. So what we're going to do now, we're going to mix this up quickly. So let's just do that. Okay. Just to make sure all the ingredients all mixed together. Alright, okay. Right, so, alright, that's done. You just put in there, that's cool. Alright, the next thing we want to do is you want to add your chosen chocolate bar to this. Okay? So, in my case, we're going to be adding Smart Jack blueberry muffin flavor, right? Let me get rid of that. Let me get rid of that. Let me just grab a quickly. Right, we're going to be using that and put it on there. And you want to chop this into little pieces, obviously, okay? Otherwise, it's going to be big pieces, right? So let's just chop this into little pieces. This is actually quite soft, but it's very crunchy. Previously, I used, what did I use? PhD Smart Bar, the, what was it? Dark Choc Raspberry. You can choose whatever you want, but I'm going to choose this one, okay? Because this tastes quite nice as well. Okay. Obviously, if you want it more chocolatey, then you can add some chocolate flavored one instead. So let's do that. Little pieces, because you don't want a big piece in there, right? Ah, cool. So once you've got that done, pop your weighing scale back on. Make sure it's in that place. Okay, you can check the weight if you want, it doesn't really matter. We're going to add these into our mixture. Okay. Then you want to mix these in. Right. We're going to make sure it's nicely coated up. Oops, something like that there. Doesn't matter. Alright. Okay, cool. Right, next ingredient. You're going to need some form of milk now. I choose almond milk, but it's up to you what you guys want to choose. But I use Actileaf. It's from Aldi's, okay? It's unsweetened. Tastes pretty good actually as well. And we are going to add 80 mils of this, okay? Now, depending on how thick you want your consistency, okay? You can add less, you can add more. So it's completely up to you, okay? But this 80 mils roughly, 80 grams, sorry, or 80 mils or 80 grams, the same thing on this scale, okay guys? So you can see that. Oops. Right, just drop the lid somewhere. Alright, never mind, I'll do that in a bit. So yeah, depending on how thick you want the consistency, you can add more, you can add less. 80 mils on this, 80 grams, the same thing, okay? And then what you can do is just mix it up, that's it. So, yeah, it looks a bit powdery right now, I know, but once you've really mixed this up, guys, you're going to see how amazing and moussey it looks. So, give it a second. Okay. And this absolutely tastes amazing, guys. Even as a mousse, it tastes amazing. For the mousse, okay, guys, what you want to do is you want to leave the bicarbonate soda out and then just mix it and eat it. You don't have to even, microwave it then. Unless you want a hot mousse, that's up to you, I guess. One of the things that tastes great with this cake, once it's done, is an ice cream. Okay, you can get different ones. Obviously, you want to get healthy ones, you can get healthy ice creams as well, protein ones, which I have got, but I can't remember the name of that right now. But as you can see, okay, it's starting to become chocolatey now, right? So it's almost done. Still a bit powdery at the bottom, as you can see. So make sure that powder is obviously gone, and give it a nice, good mixing. There we go. Okay, now tell me that don't look good. Amazing, right? Okay. That's about good, I think. Okay. So even as it is like that, it looks pretty damn good, right? Okay. So last step, guys, okay? what we are going to do now is we are going to stick this in the microwave for around about 40 seconds to 50 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to pause this video and we're going to be back after it's done. Okay, I'm going to pop it in the microwave right now. Alright guys, so as you can see, we are back after the microwave. So that was in there for about 35-40 seconds. Okay, so it's done. Give it a couple of seconds, okay, and let it kind of cool down a little bit. Then we are going to add the Choc Sweet Dream, Sweet Freedom, sorry, not Dream, Choc liquid chocolate. And we're going to put in about 10 grams of that, okay. So I like to make patterns. You don't have to do that, but that adds some amazing taste to this. So I'll put 9 grams, which is plenty, to be honest, guys. Okay. And then what we are going to do is we're going to wait a couple of seconds. I'm going to dig into this. I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like now from inside. Okay, so check it out. Look at that inside. It's chocolatey, right? It tastes amazing. See, that's your bits inside. But there you have it, guys. Simple as that. It tastes amazing. That probably could have done with a bit more microwaving, to be honest, because it's still a bit soft inside. So the longer you leave it slightly more, the more kind of cakey it will go and more fluffy it will go. But yeah, that's it, guys. Simple as that. It's quite simple, right? Go ahead, try it out yourself. I'll put the macros for this in a video or in a picture or somewhere with the ingredients, so you've got, guys, I've got a better idea for the macros and what you're eating and that kind of stuff. But go ahead and try this out.